HVAC troubleshooting, like Pro Breakdown. Want to troubleshoot an HVAC system like a real tech? Here's how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Power check. No display? Nothing working? Start at the breaker panel and the disconnect outside. Make sure you have high voltage feeding the unit. Step 2. Thermostat. Check. Is it set to cool? Temperature set below room temp? Check the batteries if it's digital. Now check the wiring, especially the Y, cooling, and C, common terminals. If the thermostat isn't sending 24 volts on Y, the condenser won't start. Step 3. Outdoor unit inspection. Go to the condenser. Is the contactor pulled in? If not, test for 24 volts across the contactor coil, one lead on Y, one on C. No 24 volts? Now check the low voltage fuse in the air handler, usually 3 or 5 amps. If the fuse is blown, the system won't send 24 volts outside. Also check for float switch issues or faulty thermostat wiring. Step 4. Capacitor and compressor fan running, but no compressor? Test the capacitor. Check microfarads with a meter. It must match the label. Bad start kits or weak capacitors are common. Step 5. Buzzing but not starting. If the unit is buzzing but not starting, check the high voltage fuse at the disconnect or breaker panel. Inspect for burnt wires. Make sure the float switch hasn't tripped, usually from a clogged drain line. Step 6. Coil and airflow issues. If the coil is frozen, it's usually caused by low airflow, dirty filters, blocked coils, or weak blower motors, or low refrigerant, which means there's likely a freon leak. Both problems cause ice buildup, poor cooling, and compressor strain. Quick recap, top 6 issues: power loss, bad capacitor, float switch tripped, clogged drain line, high or low voltage fuse blown, dirty coil or airflow restriction, low refrigerant, freon leak. Follow these tips and you'll handle most no cooling calls fast and right. Like video and follow for more HVAC install tips.